In our last video, we spoke about the ABC of Google. But this video will talk about the ABCs of Android. Hello and welcome to Whododo.com. I'm Badakila Pradeep, and this week we'll be talking about the various versions of Android that have been launched till date. The reason why we are talking about different versions of Android is because Android has recently launched the developer kit for Android N even before Android Marshmellow came into much of our phones. This is for the first time that Android is planning to launch a much developed version of Android this time, according to me. Android started its first version, Android Angel Cake, in 2008, though the first two versions, that is A and B, that is Angel Cake and Battenberg, are not that famous and not spoken much about. Those were launched in September 2008 and February 2009 respectively. The first actual version of Android came in April 2009, which was called Android 1.5 or Android Cupcake. And a much better version came at the later part of the year in September, which was called Android Donut or 1.6. Android Eclair came in October 2009 itself, which was called Android 2.0 or 2.1. Android kept on launching new versions as much as it can, but after this, it slowed down the frequency a little bit. In May 2010, Android launched Android Froyo, which came with the versions Android 2.2 and 2.2.3. Android Gingerbread or Android 2.3 to 2.3.7 was launched in December 2010. Honeycomb or Android 3.0 to 3.2.6 was launched in February 2011. Then came the ice cream sandwich in 2011 itself, but was in October, which came with the versions 4.0 to 4.0.4. By this time, Android had already become a very essential part of almost all our lives. And then came the Android 4.1 to 4.3.1, which was called Android Jelly Bean, which was launched in July 2012. Much more multitasking phone it was. And then came Android KitKat, which was launched in October 2013, which came with the Android 4.4 to 4.4.4 versions. And then Android Lollipop came into existence, which came with the material design, which is more smoother and much better in terms of its performance than the earlier versions, which was launched in November 2014, which was called Android Lollipop, and which was launched with the versions Android 5.0 to 5.1.1. And then came the Marshmellow. Did they actually launch Marshmellow totally? Not yet. Only the Nexus devices and a few more selected phones have Marshmellow in them, even though the operating system was launched in October 2015 and the version name 6.0 to 6.0.1. But right now, for the first time, Android has given the developer preview for the next version even before the previous version is there in a considerable amount of phones. We are yet to totally experience how Marshmellow is, and Android N and its features are already in the news. Right now what we need to see is how is this gonna be much better than the earlier phones, and how is it gonna fight the war with the iOS. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, please like, share, comment, and also if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to Whododo Official. This has been Badakila Pradeep.